Hi, you have these great Sony premium high-res headphones, but the ear pad cushions are old, so now I will show you how to replace them. Before that, you need to order new replacement ear pads. The link is in the video description. The next step is to remove the old ear pad. For this job, you can use a butter knife, or if you are vegan, take a flat screwdriver. Both tools work well. Just insert the tool between the ear pad base and the headphone housing and pry the pad open. It is attached to the headphones with the help of a few plastic hooks. To install the new ear pad cushions on the headphones, there is one important requirement. Even though both pads are identical, it is important to place the ear pad side with the centered hook at the top. Otherwise, the ear pad will not lock onto the headphone housing and the pad replacement will not be successful. Press the ear pad in several spots so it locks in place. This pad replacement really is that easy. Now the headphones look like new and will serve you for many more years. Good luck with your headphone refresh.